Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a quick mill Silvano. This machine was brought in because it wasn't pumping water through the group head. And what we found is that the pump had gone bad. So we replaced it and here it is, working once again. Let's test the features. Start with a shot. There we go. Grind might be a little coarse, coming out kind of fast, but as you can see, it is pumping. All right, and let's do some steam. Looking good. Alright, quick mill Silvano pumping once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee and please like our videos.